Hello viewers, this is Palace Kiddies Craft. Today we'll be making lovely animal paper lanterns. To make this craft, we need very simple materials. We need pieces of rectangular sheets of paper. So we take the rectangular sheets of paper and fold them into two equal halves. We'll be making a zebra and an elephant paper lantern today. So fold our two rectangular sheets of paper into two equal halves and slit the blind end along the stretch of the lantern. Slit along, but not all the way through to the end. So now that we are done slitting, we open up the two. Then we bring together the ends and then join them together with a staple machine. Press it down and place aside. So we bring together the ends of the other one too. Place aside. Now we fix the handles from strips of thin rectangular sheets of paper. Use a glue to fix those. Apply glue to the outer ends and fix to the inner parts of the lantern. Fix the other one too. Now, to make the animal heads, we'll be making use of paper plates. So on the paper plates, we'll draw the animal head for the elephant and then for the zebra and cut out. Once the cutout pieces are ready, we decorate them and fix them to the bodies of the paper lantern. So I'll be decorating the zebra head first. Put my zebra stripes on it. Fix the eyes, the nose and the mouth. So I do that of the elephant. Decorate the trunk. Fix the nose. Fix the eyes of my elephant. And then I write a letter E by the side. And I just fix it with a staple machine to the front of the paper lanterns. So then So now that we are done fixing, we have our cute and lovely animal paper lanterns for our princes and princesses to play around with. Hope you liked the video. Thank you.